Okay, so this is the Junior Cert Higher Level Maths paper for 2022, and we're just going to have a look at question 1. So Jane buys a laptop online for $699 plus shipping cost of $30. The exchange rate is $1 is equal to 0.9 of a euro. Work out in euro the total cost to Jane of buying the laptop online. So the total cost in dollars is 699 plus 30, so that's $729. Now we want to know what that is in euros, so we have an exchange rate, so we're going to put euros on the right hand side. So we've got $1 is equal to 0.90 euros. We want $729. So what we've done on the left hand side here is just multiplied by 729. So what we're going to do on the right hand side is the same thing, multiplied by 729. So if you do that, you get 656 euros. So we're going to get 600. So what we're going to get is 656 euros and 10 cents. So this would be our answer here. So the answer, if you like, is 656 euros and 10 cents. Okay, so let's have a look at part B1. So Jane has gross annual income of 56,000 euros. Jane pays income tax on her gross income at a rate of 20% on the first 44,300 euros and 40% then on the balance. Work out Jane's annual income tax at each of these two rates, 20% and 40%. Her gross income is 56,000 euros. She pays 20% on the first 44,300. So 44,300 is the standard rate cutoff point, and 20% is the standard rate. So at 20%, then she has to pay 20% of 44,300 euros. So that is 8,860 euros. At 40% then, you've got to get 40% of the balance. So the balance would be the difference between her gross annual income and 44,300. So you got to subtract these two here. So if you take 56,000, subtract 44,300, you get 11,700 euros. So let's do that. Then we've got to get 40% of 11,700 euros. So when you do that, it's 0.4 multiplied by 11,700. That gives you 4,680. 4,680 euros. So these are our two answers, this one and this one here. Normally we'd add those two together to get the total gross tax. Let's have a look at the next part. We'll probably have to do that in the next part. So in part 2 then, Jane has an annual tax credit of 3,300. Work out Jane's annual tax, work out Jane's annual take-home pay. Okay, so she earned her gross income was 56,000 euros. Her gross tax is just these two answers that we got previously added together. So we got 8,860 euros, and then we got 4,680. So you're just going to add those two together. So it's 4,680 plus 8,860. So that gives us 13,540. So 13,540 euros. Now she has tax credits. The tax credits are 3,300, so we need to subtract that from this amount here. So our tax credits are 3,300 euros. So that means her net tax then is going to be 13,540, which is our gross tax, minus tax credits 3,300. So that gives you 13,540 minus 3,300. So that gives 10,240, 10,240 euros. Now what were we actually asked to do here? We were actually asked to work out Jane's annual take-home pay. So our take-home pay, our take-home pay is equal to 56,000 euros. 56,000 euros minus 10,240. So that's 56,000 minus 10,240. That gives me 45,760. 45,760 euros. And that's really it for question 1.